continue with the topic that is family health services. This is factors affecting the factors influencing family health. Okay, factors influencing family health, it mainly includes two factors. One is environmental factor, the other is physical and mental factors. So factor which influences family health, it is of two factors: environmental factors and physical and mental factors. So in case of this environmental factors, it mainly includes such as climate, water supply, air. Okay, it mainly includes climate, water supply and air, or it might be like man-made physical environment. Okay, it can be man-made physical environment like buildings, noise, space, sewage disposal, etc. So normally the factors which is influencing family health, it is mainly includes environmental factors and physical and mental factors. Environmental factors can be climate, water supply and air, or it might be due to man-made environment or biological environment, that is animals. And man-made environment, it can be like buildings, construction of buildings, sewage disposal. So all this thing, it is usually environmental factors. So next is physical and mental factors. It mainly includes like family structure, family members, family number of family members, age, relationship. So that is usually about this physical and mental factors. So it can be like in this physical and mental factors can be cultural status, economic status, social status. So all this thing, it is usually involved in this physical and mental factors. So environmental factors, it might be man-made factors or biological factors, or it might be climate, water supply and air. Physical and mental factors, it might be like family structure, family size, relationship, economic status, cultural status and social status. So this is usually about this factors influencing family health. So means roles and responsibilities in the family health services. So what are the roles and responsibilities of the family nurse in the family health services? So first she has to coordinate with the healthcare system. Okay, she has to coordinate with the healthcare system within the community. Okay, within the community to know about the health needs of the family members. So that is usually the first thing is that she has to coordinate with the healthcare system. Okay, she has to coordinate with the healthcare system to know about the health needs of the family members, to know about the health needs of the family members. So once she is coordinating with the healthcare system, then she has to assess the family members. Okay, then she has to assess the family members. So what are the things that is assessing? She will assess structure of the family, size of the family, and also the things like what are the criteria, based on the criteria, so that she has to assess. Okay, that she has to assess. So after assessing, after collecting the information, everything, next thing is that she has to interact with the family members. Okay, she has to interact with the family members. So that is usually about this thing. So next she has to interact. So when she is interacting, she can know about the socio-economic status of the family, she can know about the cultural beliefs of the family, she can know about the what are the things that the family members are doing. So all these things she can know when she is interacting with the family members. Then she has to build a rapport, like when she is interacting, she has to build a good rapport with the family members, so that the family members will be feel free to communicate with the nurse and they'll discuss about the problem. So then she has to provide certain services in the family like MCH services, family planning, nutrition services, immunization services, so environmental hygiene, maintenance of environmental hygiene. So all these services she has to provide. Okay, all these services she has to provide. Then she has to give health education to the family members. Okay, she has to give health education to the family members. Then she has to perform her work like home visits. Okay, she has to regularly visit the houses. She has to do all the care, what implement, like she has to implement plans, she has to implement what are the plans that she has taken. So all this thing, evaluation, everything she has to do when she is visiting the home. So this is usually this home visits or all this work in the family health services she can do along with the health workers. Okay, along with the health workers. Okay, these are the roles and responsibility of the nurse in the family health services. So what are the roles and responsibility of the family health services? So that is mainly she has to coordinate with the healthcare system and collect the information regarding the family. Then she has to build a rapport with the family, she has to talk with the family, she has to identify the problems of the family, then she has to plan for giving care. Then she has to give services in the end like MCH services, family planning services, immunization services, and then then she has to give health education to the family members. Then she has to go with home visits. Okay, she has to carry on home visits, and the last thing is that she has to maintain records. Okay, these are usually roles and responsibilities of the nurse in the family health services, and this is usually about the family health services. What are the things like they have to identify the high risk family, so that high risk family only should be visit, like they have to visit the high risk family regularly. She has to give health education to them. She has to go with educating a mother, like what are the things she has to do during her pregnancy, and they have to tell about the importance of immunization. So everything she has to discuss with the family members. Okay, this is about this family health services.